King James Version giant print. I told her I liked that because then you can read it.
Oh, yeah.
The letters aren't so little.
Hey, where are you calling from, Grandma?
I'm in the kitchen.
Well, why don't you just come down here?
Oh, no. I didn't want to interrupt you during your podcast.
Well, okay, I better go.
Oh, okay then.
Okay.
All right then. Yeah,
gonna-
okay.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Oh, honey,
Yeah.
will you take me to church on Saturday?
You mean Sunday?
Yeah, I mean Sunday.
Yeah, I'll take you to church.
Okay then. Okay.
Okay, I gotta go. I gotta go, Grandma.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay then.
Okay, bye.
I love you.
I love you too.
Okay.
Bye. Oh, wow. Bonjour. Bonjour, ni naano. Welcome to the NANABOOZHOO podcast. That was my grandma. She's in the kitchen. She calls me on the cell phone. What is that about? Okay, well, you know, it's a beautiful morning. You know, I think it's going to be a good day. We mino giizhigad. We mino giizhigad. It's going to be a good day. And that made me think, what would be a good word for today's podcast? And it occurred to me. You know, today is Friday. And Friday is the fifth day. And so on the fifth day we say, naano giizhigad. Naano giizhigad, the fifth day. And let's see, what can I say about Fridays? Well, for a lot of us, Fridays are the last day of the work week. It's the last day we really have to, you know, take what they're given because we're working for a living. Yeah. And so, Nindanoki, working. I think Friday is the day to celebrate that, you know, if you're happy it's Friday, it's because you got a job. Unemployed people don't really care. Unemployed people wish it was a Friday when they could finally stop working after a whole week of not working. Okay. Well, I guess that's all I got to say for today. Friday is what is Friday? Friday is naano giizhigad. Naano giizhigad. Yeah. Oh, it's a beautiful morning. Okay, well, take care. I'll see you again. Giga wabamin. Minawa. Oh, what? Yeah. We mino giizhigad. It's going to be a good day. Miigwech.